Hi guys, in this video I would like to show us how you can lock your Facebook profile real quick. Let's dive in. First of all, log into your Facebook profile, then you click on the icon that shows your profile that takes you to the settings and privacy section. Click on settings. When you click on settings, then you scroll down. When you scroll down, you see where it says audience and visibility. Under audience and visibility, you can click on profile locking. So when you click on profile locking, you click on make private. What this does is that once you lock your profile, it means people from outside your friends or groups will not be able to see your profile. They will not be able to see what you post or what you upload on your Facebook timelines until they send you a friend request and you accept them before they can be able to see what you post on your profile. That's how to go about that. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified when I post my next video. Thank you.